Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dad Talks. Today I will be talking about and reviewing the EX18 fitness tracker watch. So this watch is a very basic watch and it has some basic fitness tracking functions. Also, it could connect to your phone and get some message reminders, but it's definitely not as sophisticated as any of the Android OS smartwatches out there. It's not even comparable, but you get what you paid for. This watch usually costs about 15 to 20 something dollars, within that range. So it's definitely a very low price for a decent watch. And especially if you just want to have it tell time, it's definitely worth the price. So with that, let's get started with going through some of the basic functions of this watch. So this watch comes in a variety of colors. Some of the colors here I present would be the popular colors, and we're gonna go through the silver one here since it's on already. And this is the package that it comes with. It's a very basic package, cardboard. Within the package itself, you would just find the instruction manual. Okay, so that's really all you need to get started. And depending on your seller and your supplier, this watch would come in different packages depending on how they want to customize their package. So, this one, I think it's the one that comes straight from the manufacturer, unbranded. Okay, so let's go through the EX18 watch here. So what we have would be, this watch is already on. And if you have watched another video of mine which reviews the Vibe 3 smartwatch, the functions are very similar because it comes in with 4 buttons here, and they kind of name it, similarly. So basically, they name it the S1 button starting from the upper left hand corner, S2 button, the upper right hand corner, S3 lower left hand, and S4 lower right hand. So if you want to turn this watch on and off, you want to long press the S2 and S3 button for about 5 seconds to turn it on and off. Right, so if you want to turn it back on, it will be here. Okay, so let's go through some of the basic functions of what the instruction manual provides. So I think this is a very detailed instruction manual. It has basically all you need. I've went through it a few times. So it's, if you purchase this watch and receive it, you definitely want to go through this because there are quite a bit of functions that this watch is capable of. But a downside to it is that it's not a touchscreen smartwatch. So you do want to learn how each of these buttons work. So if you had the watch on and you want to have Bluetooth connected to your phone, you would want to long press the S1 button. Now this button is also good for illumination of the watch. So if you're in a dark spot and you want to look at your time, this is also the button that you want to press. But you will also want to press the same button for Bluetooth. You would long press it for Bluetooth and short press it for illumination. Now since we have quite a bit of lighting here, you're not going to be able to see the illumination clearly, but in a dark spot you will. So with this watch, you will also want to download the app that requires you to be installed on your mobile device, so it could actually record your fitness data. Now let's see what the app is called, if it's any different from the other smartwatches from China with the same functions. Should have a QR code here. Let's see. Okay, the QR code is it's towards the back of your instruction manual. Let's see if there's a name for the app. So, if you don't want to use the QR code, you can actually go ahead and install it manually by typing it into your app store. No, it doesn't say conspicuously. But if you want to download the app, go through the instruction manual and scan it with the QR code scanner on your phone, and you can automatically download the app to have all the functions be functional. Now, there are some basic functions with this watch, which, that would be essential to your use. You will have an alarm, you will have a stopwatch, you will have real-time sport data. That's what you want to do after you install the app, and you can actually store that data onto the app on your phone. You can see incoming calls and messages, and you can also have a remote camera. So you don't have to actually press your actual camera button, but you can have the shut button on your watch to have it remotely function for you. You have a luminous dial, which we just went through, which is nice, so you can actually see the watch in the dark. Now let's put on this watch and see how it looks like. Okay, this is how the silver watch looks like. It's a little bit loose, which is fine. I don't like it too tight. And since this is a steel band, it's not as flexible as the silicone ones where you have just the notches all around, where you can freely adjust the notches. But this one seems a little bit more, fixed. So this is how it looks like on me, on the silver watch. It's not too big, just right size. Let's see. Can I figure out how to take this off? Okay, there you go. There are also other watches in the same class, which is still EX18, but it comes with different bands, like this one, with 2 colors, front and back. And there's the basic one, which is the black one. So this concludes my basic walkthrough of the EX18 fitness tracker watch. This watch costs about about $15 to $25 depending on where you buy it. If you want to purchase it through one of my affiliate links below, which would be through Amazon or eBay, it will be within that price range and in US dollars. And if you do purchase using my links below, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. So this will conclude my video, and if you guys did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel, and we will be back with you with another video. Thank you.